Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore the perspectives of leading business schools on the adoption of artificial intelligence, AI, in business management. Research from Harvard Business School, MIT Sloan, London Business School and INSEAD has provided valuable insights into how AI is transforming decision-making, optimizing processes, and improving competitiveness. We see an overview of the areas analyzed, from business strategy to task automation. If you want to learn how these academic institutions are guiding companies in the implementation of AI, stay with us. Harvard Business School has published several articles and studies under the title Artificial Intelligence in Business Strategy. It highlights key findings, showing how large corporations such as IBM and Procter & Gamble are using AI to improve their strategic planning and adapt quickly to market changes. Harvard studies indicate that AI adoption enables companies to become more agile, improving product and service personalization, which has been a key differentiator for companies such as Amazon and Netflix. The main recommendation is for companies to integrate AI not only in operations, but also in the formulation of long-term strategies to maximize its impact. MIT Sloan's report, AI and the Future of Work, explores how artificial intelligence is transforming talent management and task automation in human resources. It shows how companies are using AI to automate resume screening and interview scheduling, freeing up time for managers to focus on strategic talent development. MIT's findings indicate that human-machine collaboration is essential to maximize the benefits of automation. They recommend that organizations invest in predictive analytics tools to improve workforce planning and anticipate hiring needs. The London Business School study, Leveraging AI for Competitive Advantage, focuses on how AI enables companies to improve operational efficiency and gain a sustainable competitive advantage. It highlights examples of companies that have implemented machine learning algorithms to optimize customer service, inventory management, and demand forecasting. LBS concludes that the key to success in adopting AI is to integrate it into the organizational culture and decision-making process. They recommend that business leaders be directly involved in AI implementation, ensuring that it is aligned with the company's strategic objectives. INSEAD has conducted research on the adoption of AI in emerging markets, highlighting how companies in countries such as India and Brazil are using this technology to overcome structural challenges. It shows examples of companies that have used AI to optimize production processes and improve logistics, achieving a 15% increase in productivity. INSEAD notes that initial investment in AI can be a hurdle, but companies that adopt it achieve greater resilience and adaptability. They recommend that SMEs focus on scalable AI solutions, such as data analysis tools and task automation, before expanding to more complex projects. Here we look at a summary of how research from leading business schools has helped companies integrate AI into their operations and strategies. These publications highlight the importance of careful implementation, where transparency and employee training are key elements. AI adoption is not just a technology issue, but a comprehensive strategy that requires the commitment of the entire organization to be successful. If you want to implement AI in your organization and need guidance based on academic best practices, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we can develop a strategy that takes full advantage of the opportunities offered by artificial intelligence. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.